today we are about to go on a really special journey. Do you know why?
Why?
Because we are about to go on a fully driverless car.
The driverless car without any man on it. We just two?
Just us.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Let's see how it goes.
Yes.
Goes. Oh my
Let's
god.
see how it goes. It's like a Uber-like application. Okay. You just click on it, and then here is where we are standing. And also you can select one destination. So, wow, that was easy.
It was too easy.
Yeah, it was like...
Oh, the car is coming in 7 minutes.
Oh, wow.
It's so fast.
It is nice. It says it's already sending another passenger.
Yeah.
And then after it, they will
after
take
that,
us.
it will come in 1.6 kilometers, is it?
Yes,
oh, nice.
it is. Nice.
Nice. Oh.
So now we are on the driverless car. You can press the screen. 9536. Yep. Okay, so press that one.
And then the car starts, right?
Yep. Oh. Let's go! Wow. We can switch the temperatures over here. So we can control everything inside the car basically through this tablet.
Oh, we can watch
videos. So they have like several short videos you can watch. So this car doesn't require a driver. Are you curious about how the car is operated?
Yes, how? I don't know.
It's basically powered through 3 domain systems. I think the first one is called the perception domain system. The system is equipped with the radar cameras and the millimeter radar cameras. And they will pick up the surrounding areas and also the objects and obstacles around the car. So after that, it will move to another domain. The other domain is called the computational domain system, and that's where it processes all the surrounding areas and make final decisions and make actions. Yeah, and then they will deliver the signals to the next domain system, which is called the acquisition system. That's where all the actions begin, such as steering the wheels and also hitting the brakes. So it's like the eyes, the brain, and the hand and feet of a human.
My god, it's really impressive. They don't require anyone to ride the car. It's just a robot, right?
Yeah. Picking up signals real quick, and the surrounding objects is accurate. It's exactly
the same.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. You see, they can predict the signal lights. That's because it's powered through a technology called V2X, vehicle to everything. So each car is powered through a radar, and the signal lights, they have a signal transmitter, and it will send signals to our car. So the car can predict what's the next signal light is gonna be.
Interesting. But how does the car know where to get slow down?
Yes, because they will pick up the signals through the radar camera, and they will detect what's next to them. So they will draw a cloud map. After that, they will, send to the computational domains, and then it will process the information it picks up. And then they will make several decisions, such as like changing the lanes, accelerating, yes, merging, stuff like that. Pretty neat. And also it's really a busy area. Traffic is heavy currently.
It is detecting up to 100 meters, I think. See, we can see in the screen, right?
Yeah, really.
See the cycle moving without a man. Oh my god, it's scary.
before I was thinking, slower is safer. So I pre-assume that a driverless car will go really slow. But no,
it's faster.
Actually it's faster. Yeah. Imagine this, in the future, all the cars on the street will
driverless.
Yes, was driverless. It's actually quite space saving. The one car can carry more people.
More people, yes.
Yeah, and no one will get tired. So we have finished our exciting journey. Do you like it?
Yes, it was good. It was wonderful. I saw.
We survived. We survived.
It was wonderful. I saw like how the car detected the other cars and even the cycles.
Yes. They even pick up the smallest stuff around the car.
It was wonderful, and I think it was very safe.
Yes.
Rather than
before I was a little bit nervous, but after I get inside the car, it's all behind me.
I think I'm gonna take again and again because this is the safest.
Yes, and it's also really cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Right? Really cheap. Let's do it next time.
Yeah, next time.
Next time.
Okay, done.
Bye bye.